Hi, I'm Julia Owen, and I study black bears in the Lake Tahoe Basin. The Lake Tahoe Basin is home to an impressive variety of wildlife species, but the clear blue lake and surrounding Sierra Nevada mountains also brings people in from all over the world for seasonal outdoor activities. For American black bears, this constant high turnover of people usually means plenty of human resources for the taking. Bears have an unfortunate reputation for raiding campsites and dumpsters and even breaking into cars and homes to take food. They will opportunistically use the crawl spaces beneath homes to den over winter and for temporary resting spots throughout the rest of the year. The increasing amount of resources that draw bears into urban areas lead to an increasing frequency of human-bear conflict. I'm a graduate student researcher here at the Mammalian Ecology and Conservation Unit at the University of California in Davis, and I teamed up with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife to begin studying this black bear population. First, we wanted to get some baseline population estimates such as density, but this isn't a very easy task. While live captures and camera trap surveys are sometimes used to study wildlife populations, black bears are very difficult and costly to catch, and also because black bears don't usually have any distinct markings on their body, it's really difficult for people to tell them apart through photos. So instead, we used population genetics and non-invasive sampling to complete this task. For me, this meant extracting DNA from a lot of bear fecal samples, but first, I got to head into the beautiful Lake Tahoe Basin to find them. From June to September of 2018, I hiked throughout the basin in search of bear samples. This process is helped by looking for other bear signs, such as the hollowed-out, bowl-like beds bears will make for themselves at the base of trees. Samples were placed in jars, then filled with ethanol for storage until DNA extraction. I collected a total of 295 samples from 10 different grid cells. I then brought my samples into the lab and extracted DNA from each. This allowed me to tell individual bears apart, as well as know where each bear had been hanging out. Using this method with data from one field season, we were able to estimate that there's roughly just under 1 bear per square kilometer throughout the basin. This means over 500 adult bears on the California side of the basin alone. With more sampling in subsequent years, we'll be able to make this estimate even more precise, and we'll be able to use this data to ask other questions. All of this information will be used to inform bear management in the basin for the safety and well-being of bears and humans alike.